In just about 2 minutes left for markets to close. It's going to be a close firmly in the red, down 1.5%, given the Middle East turmoil, the rise that we've seen in Brent crude prices overnight, and even the surge in the dollar index to levels of 106.5. So globally, markets have been under pressure through the day. The Nifty is ending around 19,500, not at the day's low, which was 19,480, but closer to that. 150 points lower on the Sensex, on the Nifty. The Sensex has shed 470 points. The mid and the small cap universe has taken a bigger beating. So fair amount of pain in the broader markets. Mid cap index down 1.5%, small cap index more than that. The advanced decline ratio has nearly 2,500 stocks closing in the red. The worst performing stock on the Nifty is Adani Ports, given the Haifa exposure. Autos have come under pressure. So Pawan Munjal, the FIR filed on him has hurt. Hero MotoCorp, that's down 2.8%. Other notable losers include HDFC Life, M&M. On the gaining side, it's been a few defensive names in the IT and the pharma basket. So Dr. Reddy's top Nifty gainer, the only one with a 1% rally. In the IT pack, it's CLTech and TCS, where there is that buyback announcement.
Okay, well, I think, it's a down and out kind of day. And I think we are, Rima, as we kind of finish today's session, we're at the lows, almost at the lows of the day, right? I mean, the low was 19,480 and we're at about 19,496. So just barely managing to keep our head above that particular level by 15 points or so. That's it. So by the time you average out the rates, I mean, actually, I think there should be a slight bump higher. But yeah, I mean, this is looking pretty poor as a close. So no real big recovery at all through the course of the day. The second leg of the selling started at around 3 o'clock. Yeah, around 3 o'clock. We were at 19,540 and we've come off about 50 points in the last 30 minutes or so of trade. So that's the close. So you've got a 0.8% cut on the Nifty, and I think you've got the Nifty Bank, which will end down about 1.25% in terms of trade. You look at the mid and small cap part of the market, mid cap down about 1.5%, and small caps, of course, were selling off about 3/4. It's almost 2% actually. The small cap index down 1.96% by close. So starting the week on a down and out kind of a note and giving back 50% of the gains that the Nifty accumulated over the past 2.5 sessions, actually. Well, it's a wrap on this edition of Closing Bell from all of us here. Thank you very much for staying with us. But don't go anywhere. Our special offering, the Market Cafe, comes up next.